everyone. This is Meena Vijay Pense, and let's see what the month of September 2020 brings in for the sun sign Taurus. For Taurus, this month is going to be a very exceptionally difficult month. I will be very honest about it. The reason being is you will be literally besieged with a lot of sudden happenings in your life in all spheres of, let's say, your career, your finances, your relationship, or even your health for that matter, in which you will literally have to stand up and defend yourself. Now, these things or situations and sudden situations created by people are going to crop up in your life, which are actually going to be very unexpected. So, it might make you very angry, it might make you very hot tempered, and you will have to really guard yourself against not making a wrong move just because you're very angry or just because you've got to defend yourself. So you've got to be in general very careful and in control of your anger, especially for this month of September 2020. Moving on to the workspace. Now, workspace is the space which is going to be the most hardly hit for the Taurians this month. What is going to happen is some basic changes are going to be made in your organization, or let's say the work ethic, which is going to be very unexpected, which is going to be taking you by surprise, and you might feel that it is challenging. It is very challenging to you, or probably it could be questioning your work ethic. So this would put you in a state of extreme rage, and there are chances that you might actually want to quit your job. Do not do that. The cards are specifically asking for the sun sign Taurians to maintain their cool no matter how volatile a situation is going to be at your place of work. Yes, you can absolutely firmly put forth your opinion, but putting forth your opinion firmly and really creating a ruckus about it are two extremely different things. So the Taurians need to be very cool headed, especially for the month of September 2020. Moving on to finances, the month for September 2020 asks you to not really go in for a major purchase if that is what your planning is for the month of September 2020. Yes, something might be important to you, but unless and until it is not a matter of emergency, do not rush in and go ahead and make that purchase, because what will happen is towards the end of the month you will be regretting that purchase and realizing that you have actually wasted your money rather than investing that money. Also, for the month of September 2020, see to it that you are very quiet about your finances. Do not discuss about your finances with anybody unless and until it is really an urgent matter. Moving on to relationships. Now, all this work pressure is definitely going to spill into your compartment of relationships. So, already when you are in an agitated space, there are chances that you might actually feel very claustrophobic in your relationship, where actually that could not be the case. You might just feel that you're cornered. You might feel that there are things that they've been happening for some time, you've not spoken about it, and now to add to all that work pressure, you might feel very cornered. In case you feel that, sit down calmly and speak with your partner, but in any case and at any given point of time, do not lose your temper. There are chances that certain things are happening in your life also because you're not paying attention to the repetitive patterns and you're not doing anything about it. So before you actually go ahead and wrongly accuse your partner, see to it that you retrospect yourself, your behavior, and recheck any repetitive negative patterns that are happening in your life, and then move ahead and go ahead with your partner and speak with your partner. The health department obviously becomes very much disturbed because this is a very high pressure month for the Taurians. So there are chances that you might actually overeat, but more than overeating, because of your disturbed state of mind, you might actually have a very weak digestive system, or you might just simply lose your appetite. So see to it that you do not disturb your body cycle just because of your disturbed state of mind. And hence the month of September 2020 2020 for the Taurians is a month where you will really have to cool your temper down and defend yourself, at the same point of time not becoming too aggressive and overbearing on people around you. Have a very beautiful and a blessed month ahead.